Okay, so you here because you want to make money online, and I'm here because I'm going to teach you how to make money online. My name is Mark Augustine. I've been selling online. I've been drop shipping for more than 10 years. I've sold on the 4 major platforms: eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and Facebook. I've even sold on Shopify. I've sold over $20 million in the past 10 years online. And what I'm going to do today is talk about the 3 major differences between real dropshipping and marketplace dropshipping. So before we get into that, let me define what real dropshipping is and what marketplace dropshipping is. So on the internet, we have all these egos, and entrepreneurs tend to have egos. And there's this term real dropshipping that a couple of people came up with. So what real dropshipping is basically is having your own website, running your own traffic to the website, and selling items that come from some supplier. Marketplace dropshipping is where you dropship on a marketplace. You don't build a website, you don't pay for your own traffic, you just figure out how to sell yourself. So let's go into the 3 main differences, of real dropshipping and marketplace dropshipping. So I have a little piece of paper here. I made some notes for you guys. So like that video, subscribe to my channel because I made some notes. So the first difference is where to sell. Now, with real dropshipping, there are 4, I'm just gonna go over 4 of the platforms for real dropshippers you can sell. Shopify, WordPress, you can use Shopify. Everyone can know Shopify. That's why I was about to skip it. But Shopify is the main platform that people use to run their own website. Dropshipping, you get a credit card processor and all that good stuff. But you have to pay a couple bucks a month for Shopify. Next, WordPress. So a lot of e-commerce websites are built on WordPress. Whether it is WordPress and WooCommerce or WordPress and something else, that's kind of like the second most popular platform to have a real dropshipping website. Third, Wix, W-I-X. One of those hosted platforms that you just click around, but I've dropshipped on Wix before, believe it or not. And I'm just going to highlight the 4th and newest one that's actually just like Shopify but free, and you guys are going to get this one. Check it out. Ecwid, E-C-W-I-D. So those are 4 places. So the first main difference between real dropshipping and marketplace dropshipping is where to sell. So I gave you the 4 places for real dropshippers. So let me give you the 4 main places for marketplace dropshippers. Okay, I just jumped in the middle of my video to make a quick announcement. You guys know I am an authorized affiliate for FBM Fox. And these guys they're the first guys to come out with full and fast price tracking and out of stocks, and you could choose the intervals you want to go by. So check out, I'll put a link in the description to the free 7-day trial. You want to take a free trial and actually use the software for 7 days. You want to use it for 7 days. But right now, the last update, so they already did an update with the order paid, but they did an update with full tracking, all you guys who are worried about that. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description to the video from FBM Fox showing the feature as well as a link to the free trial. 4 main places are eBay, Amazon, Walmart, and Facebook. But you guys should have known that already. All right, so the second out of the 3 main differences between real dropshipping and marketplace dropshipping is how you get the customers. So and this is why I prefer marketplace dropshipping. Let me say that first. I love marketplace dropshipping, and it's mainly because of this. So with supposed real dropshipping, you're putting more things at risk because you have to pay for your traffic. Generally speaking, or pay for traffic meaning clients. So remember, the second difference is how you get your clients or how you make sales, right? So with real dropshipping, you actually pay for traffic or you pay for clients. With marketplace dropshipping, on the other hand, getting clients are free. So you basically sell on eBay, Amazon, Walmart, or Facebook, and you're not running paid ads to make a sale. So that's the second main difference, how you get clients. In supported real dropshipping, you pay for clients. On marketplace dropshipping, you get for free. Now the third, and I guess is the greatest, the most important difference between real dropshipping and marketplace dropshipping is how you actually generate, how you choose what to sell and how you generate sales. So real dropshippers go through a much longer process. They have to decide if they have a niche store or a variety store. They have to decide what they're gonna put on that store. Some people go the shortcut and do AliExpress. Some people get contracts with wholesalers and all type of stuff. But choosing what to sell and making the sales is a very complicated process on the real dropshipping side, and you make a lot of mistakes. The good thing about the marketplace dropshipping is that you basically do research within the platform, research within eBay, Amazon, Walmart, or Facebook, and decide and look to see what sells and sell what sells. There's one rule to make money with marketplace dropshipping, and that's sell what sells. So guys, I broke down the three main differences of real dropshipping and marketplace dropshipping. I'll go into more depth. I'm gonna make a separate video about marketplace dropshipping and kind of break down some statistics, how many sellers and all that good stuff. But yeah, like my video, subscribe to my channel. In the comment section, leave a comment, I'll respond. And check out all the free stuff I have in the description.